Hello guys, it's Color Artist again. Welcome back to my channel again. Now today we will create Billy from Fortnite. This small banana man is really interesting because his hands and legs are, like a real mature man, but the whole shape of the banana are really kind of childish, and this is a really nice mixture. This kind of represents really nice the skin of Fortnite. So let's do it.
So first I will just create the really basic shapes and lines. What I mean is that here you don't stress too much about the details as you could hear in many video, but later on the video in this video I will tell you some secret sauce what is in my mind, because I think if I find out or get to know what's inside the artist or the other man or woman's head, then we can have some more insights so we can boost our knowledge better. I think, of course, most of the time I just empty my mind and let flow to draw, but sometimes I focus on some things. And here I just draw the really basic shapes. I don't trust anything about it. I check the picture, draw what I see, that's it. If you can't draw an accurate basic shape, then it's just practice, nothing else. There is no secret sauce or whatever, a secret key that you will draw appropriate things immediately. It's really natural, and this is the fun part. So just just do it, just let it flow. And here we just drew the legs, that's it. As I said, what you see, you just put it on paper, that's simple, and don't have to overcomplicate it. And there are different techniques how you draw a line, how you make it, and I will also talk a little bit more about this. Actually, now I just show you another video so you can have more insight what I'm talking about. What I was talking about is you just grab a paper and a pencil or rotring or whatever you have, and first you just with simple really easy lines you just draw the basic form what you want. In this case a circle or a triangle. Now I know that the picture, the quality is not the best, but you can see that it's a triangle and a circle with just lines, and that's it. Drew this really basic lines is the, as I draw now, the number one step. That's it. Here you have the fundamentals. This is what you will build on, like a house or like anything else. The simplest thing first. And the second step is with light, really small lines, just correct it, correct everything, make it more closer and more, just more accurate to the original shape that you are trying to draw. And here at step two, you constantly check the reference picture and do your best to be accurate. That's the step two. This is really simple. And the step three, yeah, now I demonstrate what I mean. That this really small light lines, and this is eased as well. The second step is, the second step is more strict and more accurate than step one, and step three will be the most strict out of the three step. Yeah, or step one is just simple long lines. Okay, and step three is more darker. Of course, when you need really dark, for example, black, you draw black. When you need just I don't know, dark gray or whatever, or if you work with color, then here you can start to draw with color. And as I demonstrated, you just draw back and forth, and this is how you do it. And you still look at the reference picture and do your best to be accurate. And here you will have the developed, almost finished line. After this, what I won't draw here, the step 4 is just the details, nothing else. This is the three main fundamental steps what I use. And at step 2, you check the reference picture the most. At first, the step first is just it's just fun and mess, if you want to. And step 2 is when you make sure that every form is accurate and the proportions and the distance of each segment and part is accurate. So there you check the reference picture the most. And the third is you just basically you then at number three you can correct as well, but there is the main purpose is make stronger step two. So yeah, that's it what I wanted to tell you today. If you have any specific questions, then feel free to ask in the comment and I'm happy to answer. Have a very nice day. In the rest of the video I just put on a nice song and enjoy the drawing. Bye guys! And if you have, as I mentioned, any questions, feel free to ask. And you guys know, if you enjoyed the video, just leave a like and just the usual stuff. If you wish to receive further videos from me, then subscribe.
Hello guys, I am the very first animated character made by Rabin. If you enjoyed the video, push that like button. And if you wish to receive more video like this, then subscribe. Until the next video, I see you later.